Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make chicken gizzard pepper fry recipe. Have you ever tried this spicy recipe? Once if you try, you will make it again. It's so yummy recipe. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 500 grams of gizzard, add 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on high flame. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can open the lid. Chicken gizzard has cooked well. Keep it aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now add 2 medium sliced onion to it. Saute it on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes until it becomes light brown color. After onion has changed its color, keep it low flame and add the masalas. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Then add the cooked chicken gizzard to it. Mix it well. Cook until excess water dries up on high flame. Now excess water has gone. Add half teaspoon garam masala powder, some curry leaves. If you need more spicy, add half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Switch off the flame. Our spicy chicken gizzard pepper fry recipe is ready. This recipe is so delicious when served along with rice, parota or chapati. We need only 30 minutes to make this spicy and tasty recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.